Stop scrolling, because if you've ever tried to source a real product for a business, this part can get expensive fast. You see a robot arm, a delivery drone, a smart warehouse gadget, or some high-tech product idea trending online, and the hard part is not just finding it. The hard part is finding real suppliers, comparing options, checking minimum orders, asking the right questions, ordering samples, understanding customization, checking shipping, and not wasting a ton of money on the wrong source. Alibaba.com is built for exactly that, so let's dive straight into it. Think about a real creator and business workflow. Romain wants to launch a compact delivery drone accessory. Lara is researching smart desk robot for creators. Jigig is checking custom LED display parts for a new product line. So 3 different product ideas, same exact problem. Where do you actually find supplier options without wasting weeks jumping between random websites, screenshots, and messy spreadsheets? Alibaba.com gives buyers access to a global B2B marketplace with over 200,000 suppliers, verified supplier options, a wide range of product categories, and sourcing tools that help you compare choices without flying across the world to visit a wholesale market. Now, for entrepreneurs, e-commerce sellers, and B2B buyers, that means that you can research products, contact suppliers, request samples, compare pricing, check minimum order quantities, and start building a real sourcing plan from your phone or laptop. This is where Alibaba.com becomes useful for high-tech products. If Romain is researching drone accessories, he can compare drone frames, batteries, cameras, landing gear, controllers, packaging options, sample availability, ready-to-ship products, shipping details, and minimum order quantities. If Lara is researching robot parts, she can explore motors, sensors, grippers, smart controllers, shells, and factory direct options, then contact suppliers and ask about customization. And this is the part most people underestimate. Sourcing is not just finding a cool product photo. You need to know if the supplier can support your quantity, your branding, your delivery timeline, your packaging, your sampler request, and your customization needs. Alibaba.com keeps those practical business details inside one sourcing flow so that you're not guessing from a pretty image. Now, Alibaba.com also has AI mode, which works like an AI-powered procurement assistant, basically. Instead of only typing basic searches, you can use it for product research, supplier searching, product comparison, inquiry drafting, product design ideas, business analysis, and sourcing strategy. So, if you're comparing, for example, a warehouse robot, a drone camera module, or a custom smart home device, AI mode can help you think through the details before you start messaging suppliers. AI mode can also help turn a rough product idea into something more specific. For example, what size should it be? What material makes sense? What specs should you compare? What customer problem does it solve? What questions should you ask before paying for a sample? That is where it becomes useful because better research usually leads to better supplier conversations. Then there is Alibaba Lens, the image search shortcut. Here, basically, it's especially useful when you do not know the exact product name. So maybe you only have a screenshot from a video, a product photo, or a visual reference. With Alibaba Lens, you can search from an image and explore similar product matches. That helps you when you know what something looks like, but you don't know the category name, the supplier term, or sourcing language, so you don't exactly know how to find it. The app matters too, because sourcing does not always happen at a desk. You might be walking through a store, checking a trade event, scrolling product ideas at night, or replying to suppliers between meetings. With the Alibaba.com app, you can search products, message suppliers, compare options, and to keep your inquiry flow moving from anywhere. So the full workflow looks like this. Spot a high-tech product idea, maybe a drone tool, robot component, smart home device, warehouse gadget, or custom tech product. Search it on Alibaba.com. Compare verified supplier options, prices, minimum orders, shipping options, samples, and customization. Use AI mode to research and draft strong inquiries. Use Alibaba Lens when you only have an image. Then send the inquiry and start turning the idea into a real business move. If you want to source smarter, visit Alibaba.com, download the Alibaba.com app for iPhone or Android, and try AI mode and Alibaba Lens for your next product idea. And if you want more AI and business tools that actually help you move faster, subscribe to Vortex. Thank you all for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in the next breakdown.